Hey, welcome to Blue Line Garage. In this episode, what we're going to do is we are going to work on the ATV. As you can see here, the floor is all chewed up, things like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to get a piece of cardboard, lay it out in the damage area, and then what we're going to do, I have some spare diamond plate sheets left over. I'm going to use my plasma torch. We're going to cut that out and make a nice floor for this thing. So let's check it out.
Ooh, that looks cool. Hey guys, we're all done.
Done with what?
The Jeep.
Jeep? Jeep what?
The floor.
The floor. Point to the floor. Let's show me the floor. That down there? How's it look? Put your feet on there. Does that feel nice and strong?
Yeah.
Awesome. Alright, there you go, guys. Another project done for the books. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the alert button down below to get future videos. See you later.